All right, so the problem says Greg assembled at least 30 units on each of 2 days. Pay total of 180. Well, let's say he does the bare minimum on day 1. So that means he did 30 units and he gets $2. Let me see, is that right? Assembled at least 30, yeah. So assume the minimum. So 30 times 2, that means he made $60. All right, well, he was paid 180. So 180 minus 60, we're down to 120. All right, so let's say he maximizes it this day. So that would be, okay, he pays $2 for 40 units. Oops, $2 times 40. So now we're at $80. All right, so how much money's left over? He's 120 minus 80. So he's got a total of $40 that we need to figure out the number of units on that. So we'll maximize this. So maximizing, that means for the units over 40, he gets $2.50. So $2.50 times however many units, X, will give me $40. So X equals 40 divided by 2.5. And that's 40 divided by 2.5, but you got to move that decimal over, so it's going to add a 0. So that's a 1, and that's a 25, and that's a 15, and bring down a 0, and 25 into 150, 4, 5, 6. 16 units that he's made at the $40. So how many units is it? We had 16 units and 30 units. Well, 16 plus 40 will give me 56. And that is the greatest possible number of units that he could have assembled on one of the 2 days. So 56, because we're looking at day 2 where he maximized, and he did 40 plus this 16.